Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got a 2010 Caddy SRX here, and the customer complaint of a non-functioning rear wiper motor. Obviously it hasn't been working for a while, but this has the patch. Most of the electronics on this testing can be done right in here. We got the relay and the fuse in here. In order to test this, the hatch is supposed to be closed, so I'm going to try to fool the car into thinking the hatch is closed. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that works with the latch closed. We got a relay and a power supply fuse in this little fuse panel here, which we have power there. And so we're going to need to pull the cover off the inside of the hatch and access the wiper motor. Just make sure our power's getting to the motor. And also it does run through this hinge area, so that's a possible issue with wiring there. But we'll go straight to the motor. Pop this bolt out of here. Torx head fastener here. Check for power here on this red and white wire. We got power. So with the switch turned on, you should have power on both the red wire and the white wire, and a good ground on the black wire in order to confirm that the power, grounds, and relays are functioning properly. Well, I should say the control switch as well. And since that's the case, we know the motor's bad, we'll go ahead and swap it out. It's like a 13 millimeter. One thing to think about on these rigs is if you ever have a complaint of no wiper operation, either front or rear, when the vehicle is in neutral, it does go into the car wash mode under certain scenarios where the vehicle is in neutral. And that prevents the wiper motor from being overstressed by the car wash curtains and whatnot. So just a reminder, it has what's called a car wash mode. I'm using a new GM part on this one. I'm sure there's aftermarket stuff available. There was not much available here locally in Anchorage, Alaska, so I really wouldn't be comfortable in this case with anything but the OE part, to be honest. So there's our unit. Let's slap this puppy in. her back in. Hopefully that's indexed properly. We'll see here. Should have probably cycled it. We'll give that a try. She works. Very nice. Alright, well, I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time. Take care.